Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was an extremely brilliant scientist, and he revolutionized our understanding of the universe. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany, into a Jewish family and had one sister, Maja, born 2 years after him. Einstein attended elementary school in Munich, Germany. Although he apparently didn't like school, Einstein became very interested in math and science from a young age. He was naturally curious, and had a brilliant analytical mind. When he was just 5 years old, his father bought him a compass. His inquiring mind immediately started trying to work out just why the needle always pointed north. When Einstein was 15, his family moved to Italy. At age 17, Einstein entered the Federal Polytechnic School in Zurich, Switzerland, to be trained as a teacher in physics and mathematics. After graduating, as he was unable to find a teaching post, he accepted a position in the Swiss Patent Office in Bern. Einstein married Mileva Maric, his longtime love and former student, in 1903. Einstein is considered one of the world's greatest thinkers. While working at the patent office, he had the time to further explore his ideas about physics. He thought about planets in the sky, about space, about the spinning of the Earth around the Sun, about light, and about time. He wrote new theories and explanations for the way physics works. In 1905, he published 4 papers of significant importance in physics, including the theory of special relativity, and his most well-known equation, E equals mc squared. E equals mc squared shows the equivalence between mass and energy, and proving that even the smallest amount of mass can be turned into a huge amount of energy. This helped form much of the basis for nuclear energy. In 1915, Einstein amazed the world by publishing his theory of general relativity, which explains how gravity works, and his idea about the curvature of space. This theory was proven correct by an experiment during the 1919 solar eclipse, and Einstein became famous overnight, and was featured in magazines and newspapers. Soon he began to receive honors all over the world for his ideas, becoming a world-famous scientist. Einstein divorced Maric in 1919, and soon married his cousin, Elsa Löwenthal. He had 3 children by his first marriage. In 1921, he won the Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on the photoelectric effect. Einstein was a professor at the University of Berlin for a time, but he moved to America with Elsa in 1933, during the rise of Adolf Hitler in Germany. There he worked as a professor of theoretical physics at Princeton University, New Jersey, and became a United States citizen in 1940. After World War II, Einstein was offered the presidency of the State of Israel, which he declined, and worked on many other influential theories and projects. He spent much of his life researching his theories of relativity, investigating space, time, matter, and energy. Albert Einstein received honorary doctorate degrees in science, medicine, and philosophy from many European and American universities. During the 1920s, he lectured in Europe, America, and the Far East, and he was awarded fellowships or memberships of all the leading scientific academies throughout the world. On April 18, 1955, Albert Einstein died at the age of 76 from heart failure. After he died, Einstein's brain was removed and preserved, and research was carried out on it to see if there was a reason for his genius. Einstein was named Person of the Century in 1999 by Time magazine. His theories and ideas related to physics continue to exert influence today. His great work led to important advances, including space exploration, the control of atomic energy, and applications of light. Albert Einstein's contributions to science were phenomenal, which is why his name is synonymous with genius all over the world today.